Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the February journaling bundle. So I've got all the goodies here. Everything is all taken out of the packaging so that I can show you, but I will show you really quick what it comes in. So packaging wise, comes in this really cool envelope. It's a great thing to carry all your stuff around with. You've got a little Velcro dot there so you can kind of stuff everything. Your journal fits in here, your pen fits in here, and then all of your stickers can go in here as well. And then that way you can take it on the go with you. So this is what it comes in, but I'd already unboxed everything because I wanted it all to be sitting out here super pretty for the picture, which I already took. So this is an extra I will talk about at the end. I'm going to set it off to the side and then we'll kind of go through this. Right here is the bundle. So you can get the bundle with or without the journal, but the journal is fabulous and I think you guys are really going to love it. So I would suggest getting them. If you really want the journal, I would suggest to get that first. Only because this is a limited number of these. Like I have an unlimited number of kits. I make them all myself. I can always just restock the shop with the kits, but the pens and this are limited to however many I have in stock. I can order more pens if this becomes an issue, but I ordered quite a few of them, so I think we'll be okay with the pens. But the journals was kind of an experiment to see if anybody really liked them or wanted them, and we only have 4 left from the last batch from last month. So if you want those, I would grab them now because like I said, there's only 4 left of the actual journal itself, or you can pick up this one, which will be live on February 1st. So let's go over the journal first really quick so I can take it out of the way. So the husband did it. It's very much true crime. I love this theme. Love, love, love. Here's the back. Yes, still says Scrappy Fox. I ordered these was before I did the name change. Dot grid on the inside, and from experience we know that there are 28 boxes going in this direction. So this is a perfect journal for all kinds of things. You can do all kinds of stuff, and the paper is pretty thick. So I've noticed that really if you use a zig marker in here, it doesn't bleed through to the other side unless you're like ham crazy with it, or if you use any of the midliners, those don't go through. But if you use stuff like a Sharpie or something like that, or an off-brand, you're going to go right through the other side. So I can tell you that the paper is thick enough for you to do quite a bit of mixed media in here. You've got 2 big giant covers front and back for you to decorate, and that is it. So here is the journal. Perfect journal. Love, love, love. Next I'm going to do the vellum because it's sitting right here. 5x7 vellum sheet, and I imagine if I had it facing in the right direction so that you could actually see it, that would be good. So again, same theme with this one's got the purple star background, which is hard for you to see it, but they're like little stars and hearts and dots all throughout the background. It's much easier to see when it's in person, but super cute. And you can see it's got like that purple. So there's the vellum. Then the washi. So for the washi, this is the packaged ones. I've got them unpackaged and rolled out for you. So let's just show you the ones that are unrolled or unpackaged. Okay, so we've got the 15 millimeter, which has the silver foil throughout, and then the 10 millimeter doesn't have any foiling but has this fantastic with the murderino and the stay out of the forest, and the husband did it, and the axe all the way through. So fantastic washi this month. I got them all rolled out for you. There they are, super, super cute. And then this is the pen. So here's the dot part of the pen. So on the top part, this here has a dot, and the harder you press, the bigger the dot. So if you're a bullet journaler, this is perfect. Or if you just want to use this end is the pen end, and that's right there. So you can see that's a 0.5 millimeter pen, and this is the color grape. So these are in every one of the kits as well. And washi card. So you got your washi card in there, Cocoa and Fluff on the back, metal, just like the other one, but this one's a little bit thicker. I'm experimenting and ordering because I don't know metal. When it says how many millimeters or microns or whatever thick it is, I don't know what that means. So I have to actually order them and play with them just to see. This one's thicker than the one from last month. It's a lot more durable, but it's still not as thick as I want it to be. So I will keep experimenting, but it is super, super cute. Look at that. How adorable is that? So there's your washi card. Then let me take all these and put them off to the side. We'll look at the stickers. Let's look at the stickers first. So you got, in your bundle, you're going to get 10 of these. So there's 20 here, just so you can see all the possibilities, but I kind of split them up between the two. So you get 10 stickers of these great big ones in each bundle. There's 20 of them here. So I'll just put down all of them so you can see what they all are. There you go. Ooh, did I make it too low? There. So you can see them all. Super, super cute. Kiss cut, meaning double cut, so you can easily peel them off. Last month's, I did the what do you call it, the coating over the top. I won't do that again. First of all, it was extremely difficult. I can't tell you how many of them I messed up, and they didn't all cut right. So you ended up cutting them you ended up having to pull them off from the outside anyways, because it just like, I just couldn't get it right. Half of them came out okay, the other half didn't. So I apologize, but we won't do that coating over the top again. Plus, I like the way they look better like this when I'm decorating. I don't like having that shiny stuff where nothing else on the paper is shiny other than my washi. So there's those. Then I'm going to go through these. So here's your washi sheet for this month. You've got the bigger ones, the skinny ones, and then the half cut ones. Then you've got another deco sheet with bigger deco, so good for just doing like single like daily spreads. These ones are good for because those are much larger. You've got your full journaling kit with all your little extras, and I made sure to put some of these in here so that you have some extra quotes and stuff. And look at how cute is that? Oh, I just love this whole theme. And then you've got your quarter sheets. So this one says True Crime on the top. I probably should just I'm gonna bring you in a little bit, and if it shakes, I apologize. I'm using my phone, so I have to like bring it up like that. Anyway, this one is kind of following along because a lot of people do a lot of tracking, and so I wanted to continue with the tracking theme, and whether it's books or podcasts or TVs or whatever you're tracking, I wanted to kind of continue with that. So this one gives you a bunch of different choices. So you can do your hearts to tell you how well you liked whatever it was that you're tracking, started reading, what episode you're on, finished reading, book club, binge watch, and podcast started. This one is a bunch of the prompts. So these are like reading prompts and stuff, and it just gives you something to write about. Like if you want to just decorate a page and write something, but you don't have any ideas, this is a good place. You can just grab one, pull it off. This one's mine. I've already pulled it off like 100 times. Pull it off, write it down, and put it in somewhere on your sheet, and then just start filling in underneath what these say. So it's just a fun little extra thing to put in there just to give you some ideas to play with, because everybody loves to decorate, but then nobody knows what to write. And that's me. I have no idea what to write. So these are perfect. Small deco sheet. This is good for if you're going to do a weekly. If you want to set up a weekly, you've got all kinds of decorations for that. Cute, cute, cute. Then these I doodled. Just because, let me get past the ones that I didn't doodle. So quote sheet with all crime scene stuff, super cute. Then you've got your monthly scripts, all matchy match with this. And then the doodle sheet. So I doodled these up because I was in a mood and I was just sitting down and I just started drawing, and then this is what happened. So we've got a bunch of books here. So you've got a book tracker with little lines next to it, each one, so that you can write down the book. You can write down whatever you want to put on there, like what book you're doing, what chapter you're on, doesn't matter. This is a full square, so you just slap it on the page, fill it out, and decorate around it. Then these two are Kiss Cut. So here's a TV tracker, Kiss Cut TV tracker. And I wanted like a bunch of different types of TVs. So I started thinking of like the older ones, and then like a Jetsons TV, and then just like funny ones with remember the old TVs with I wanted to have the rabbit ears on them. So I just started doodling up some old ass TVs and then some fun little squares to write stuff in. Oh my gosh, that was my dog. She's blowing under, she just blew underneath my door with her big old nose because she's trying to get in. And then this one is a podcast tracker. So a bunch of little podcasty kind of things with some bubbles so that you can write in whatever podcast you're listening to, who, what, where, when, why. Super, super cute. So there's all the quarter sheets. So that is all the meat and bones of your monthly bundle. Tons and tons of stuff here. Oh my gosh, there's so much here for you to play with. I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on this and show me what you're going to do. I have so many ideas. So this is the main with or without. So there's without. Let me back you up again because, you're a little close. There. Without, this is everything that comes with. You get the journal. And then one little added extra thing that I wanted to do to thank you guys for supporting the store, for really jumping on board with the journals. I really, really love it. I want to be able to order the next bunch of journals, and I want to make sure that we sell out of these every single time so that I can order more. So like I said, there's 4 left of the book lover one. So pick those up while you can. Then we've got this next one coming out. And then next month, for the month of March, there is no journal. I did not make a journal to go with that theme. So we will be journal free that month. And then the following month, I have a journal to go with it. And we want to get through all the journals so that we can order more of them. So as a thank you for everybody who orders with the journal, only with the journal, because I have a very limited number of these. I did make some 4x6 albums to go with the theme, and these are perfect for storing all of your extra little stickers. You can store your quarter sheets in here, and you're going to have a lot of quarter sheets that are probably left over from last month, from next month, the months after. So these are the 4x6s. I'm going to stop carrying 4x6 albums in the store. So this is all I have left, is what is going to be bundled in to, no, it's not a part of the bundle. Let me clarify, because I'm like getting all excited and not explaining myself properly. This is an add-on to, if you pick up the bundle with the journal, this is an add-on option that you can get for a very discounted price. So this is a 4x6 top loading, 60-page top loading sticker album storage unit thing, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. I can't think of the proper wording right now. And I have a very limited stock of them. They're going to go only with the ones that have the journal. You'll have the option to add it on, and it'll be at a very discounted price as a thank you. And because I'm not going to be carrying them anymore, I'm going to stick with 5x7, 6x8, and 5x7 reusable. That is what is in the next order that's going to be going out. So 4x6 is going to get phased out. But because I have a handful of them, I have about 20 of them left. So I wanted to add them to the bundle that has the journal, kind of a thank you, and to help push the journals, because I want to make sure that the journals sell out, like I said, so that we can do more. So that is everything that I have for you. Remember, these are only good with this. If you add this to the cart with just the bundle without the journal, I will take it out. I'm just telling you that don't bother putting it in there. And hopefully you saw this. I will even have it written in the description, so that hopefully anybody who hasn't seen this video will also know that you can't get this without this. So these two things have to go together in order for you to get the special discounted price for the 4x6s, because these are not listed anywhere else in the shop. 4x6s are gone. So anyway, that's the end of this little video. I hope you guys find something in here that you like. I hope you're super excited. I love the way that the journaling challenge is going. It is so fun. If you're not already a part of the group, join. I will have it all linked down below. Join our Facebook group and jump on into the journaling challenges, get some fun prizes at the end of the month just for uploading pictures. That's all you have to do, is upload pictures of the spreads using the prompts that we're doing throughout the month, and you have a chance to win. And you can put your winnings towards whatever you want, including this right here. So anyway, that is all I have for you today. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye.